here. My name is 𝐿𝐵𝐼𝐻𝐸. Welcome to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. Today we're going to be doing a winter hygiene video, and this video is basically going to be some tips and tricks on how to stay fresh throughout the winter. As you know, we're ladies, we're girls, and we have more body parts than men to take care of. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing my secrets and giving you guys a little bit of tips on how to stay fresh all day during the winter season. Now, before I do get into the video, I did want to let you guys know that today's video is a collab with my girl Leslie Dior here on YouTube, and she is going to be doing a winter hygiene video as well. You definitely should check out her channel and see what she has going on. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys just a little tease of what she has to come on her video. As you guys can see, Miss Leslie honey is doing the damn thing, okay? So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So I'm going to be breaking this video up into different sections. I do want to start off with like body care, as far as like body washes, what to use on your body, and also your girl downstairs. I'm also going to be showing you guys the products that I use. Maybe you guys can try some of these products out for yourself and see if it'll work for you, because all of these definitely work for me. So with body washes, I'll go for natural body washes, vegan, handmade, things like that, because you actually know what you're getting and what you're putting on your body and soaking up into your skin. Those with ingredients that you can read and know exactly what it is, versus some brands where they have the sulfates and alcohols and things like that. One of the body washes that I'm going to show you is one that I use daily, and then I also use a few shower gels as well, but not as often. My first one that I'm going to show you is halfway empty, so that's why I figured I'd show you this one first. So this is the Method Body Pure Peace Body Wash. And then the peony rose water and pink salt is just some of the natural ingredients that it has in it. And this is, it says naturally derived, no bad vibes. And we're going to stick to it.
That's mine.
And that's what you're going to settle for.
I'm gonna stick beside them.
No, but this is a it's a peaceful scent. It smells very light, very airy, and it just, I don't know, it's a nice smelling body wash. It's like a more chilled, peaceful type smell. This is also cruelty free, and this bottle is also made with 65% recycled plastic. But yeah, this is a good body wash. It is 18 ounces, and it was actually a pretty good price. I got this one for Target, and there's also a few more body washes that I've been wanting to try, like Native and some other natural body washes that are out there. I also have their the Method Body Berry Balance, and this one is a plant-based body wash as well, of course, because it's the same brand. And this one has acai, mulberry, and goji berry in it. And now this one smells really good too. I haven't really used this one. I've used it once and it smells really good. So this is like a soft berry smell. You know how like the mixed berry Yoplait yogurt smells? It smells just a little bit like that, but soapy. Also with washes, the washes that I use for my girl downstairs, I only use honey pot products for down there, or a unscented baby soap, or maybe some unscented Dr. Bronner's or peppermint Dr. Bronner's down in that area, because it does not have a scent. You definitely don't want to use those types of body washes like the Method Body on your downstairs area unless it is unscented, non-fragranced, that type of thing, because that could cause like yeast infections. It could cause your pH balance to be all over the place. It could cause odors. This is the honey pot wash that I use, and this one is plant derived as well, and it is specifically feminine care. Now this one does not have a smell, but it smells natural. So the things that they use inside of the wash is what cause the smell, versus them adding a fragrance into this wash. So EcoTools has a loofah that I use for whenever I do like my body wash and stuff like that. So I just use this. They also have a loofah towel. And this towel is so long, you guys. You can actually exfoliate your back with this towel. So it's like super duper long. I also have this back scrubber thingy. It is also by EcoTools. And this scrubber gets the job done, honey. Just put a little, sprinkle a little on your little thing, and then you wash back. And it's so, like you can reach your back in the places where you know you couldn't reach with a normal towel. So that's why I definitely recommend getting one of these back scrubbers, because you don't want to go walking around with a dirty back. Next up, we have exfoliants that you can use as far as like hygiene and keep yourself all pampered and feeling good. So you definitely need to exfoliate your skin during the winter time, because those are the coldest months. Your skin tends to dry out faster. So I do recommend exfoliating twice a week. You can start on Sunday and on Friday, or you can do like a, you know, one time on the weekend, one time throughout the week. But that's definitely what I do. Probably more than that, just because I have a lot of Tree Hut scrubs in my bathroom, you guys, and I'd be like, oh honey, let me try this one today, let me try that one today, let me see how this one smells. And I've been trying to look for like the candy cane one for Christmas time, and I haven't found it yet, but they said that Target has it. So Target, I'm gonna be on my way, okay? But anyways, the one that I brought in here with me to do this video is the Cotton Candy Tree Hut scrub. Now that scrub is, y'all, that scrub smells so good, and it actually has shea butter in it as well, along with the fragrance. I wouldn't necessarily exfoliate my Miss Ma'am. I would definitely use it to exfoliate the parts that are like darker on your skin, your knees, your elbows, your arms, maybe if so. But it's definitely a good full body exfoliant, and it's definitely, you know, you're able to use it everywhere except for your Miss Ma'am, okay? Now there are of course some other exfoliants that you may use, but my choice of exfoliant is either a homemade turmeric scrub under my arms, or the Tree Hut body scrubs, because they do have shea butter in it. And they also have avocado oil, they also have safflower oil, sweet almond oil, sweet orange oil. There's like a lot of natural oils in here that help nourish your skin. So I definitely would suggest Tree Hut or any other scrub that has shea butter in it, or anything to condition your skin. That way, once you do the scrub, exfoliate, you wash it off your skin, it feels very smooth and it feels moisturized. The next section that I am going to be talking about is going to be lotions, creams, body creams, whatever, oils, you know, whatever you use to condition your body. Now with oils, I will say, excuse my body, y'all, because this is my holy grail, but I do use raw extra virgin coconut oil. This is basically just cold pressed coconut oil. It's deprived from coconuts. It definitely conditions your body and makes sure that you're oiled up. Now what I like to do with my coconut oil, as far as like moisturizing, like as far as like a cream or like lotion or something like that, after I get out the shower, I use my coconut oil. You can get this from Walmart, Kroger, Amazon, doesn't really matter, just as long as it's natural raw coconut oil, you are good. My choice of moisturizer for that day is oil. I would use my body spray, my ultimate favorite body spray, and just spray it in my hand, and then I would put the coconut oil on my skin so that it can begin to melt. That way, once I have the perfume on my hand, I can just mix it in with the coconut oil. That way, I know I'm getting like a conditioned moisture, and I'm also getting some smell good in the mix. So this is the body spray. It is called Bonfire Bash from Bath and Body Works. That is definitely a go-to smell for me when it comes to like the winter, because it just gives me that vibe. I've got so many compliments with like me walking past someone and they're like, oh, you smell good. And I'm just like, thank you, baby. I know. That's that Bath and Body Works. Also as well, other than the coconut oil and the spray that I use, I also use lotions from Bath and Body Works. They do have 24-hour moisture creams that they have in store and online. And also as well, those are 24 hours and they have shea butter in it and aloe vera in it. As for the next section, it is going to be pertaining to freshness and just how to stay fresh. Now, the Honey Pot does have sprays that will keep you fresh, or to refresh your area down there if you do sweat, or you know, just to daily refresh. They sell those. I don't own any of those, but you can definitely check it out. Also, people normally don't talk about your butt, so they only focus on your vagina. So I found this trick in its hat, and I've been using it ever since, and it definitely keeps your girl smelling and feeling good all day. So what I use are witch hazel cleansing pads with salicylic acid on them. So if you're prone to ingrowns, or you just got a wax, or just shaved, if you shave your butt, you know, some people with hair like that, don't know. But if that's you, then I don't recommend using these wipes after you've shaved, gotten a wax, or any of that, because it will burn because of the acid that's inside of it. But it does keep the smell away, no odor, no anything, and it also keeps you fresh and you don't sweat. So this is what I use. This is a tip. These little pads like this, and they come 60 in the can, and they come in just little thin pads just like this. Now I will say this, you have to be careful that you don't go too far down, because if you wipe your vagina area with that and it has the acid in it, it will burn. Okay, it's gonna burn. All right, so you just have to be careful. And also, if it does help, you can also put a towel right there, because they're not like leaky or anything unless you squeeze it. But if you just want to put a towel there just so you know you're sure you're not wiping in that area, then definitely use that to wipe, and then you'll be good. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've reached this far, I definitely appreciate it. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box below. Hit that red button down below, and also turn on your post notifications so you never miss when your girl posts another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Love yourself.